how to redeem codes from different region in Xbox. Now, first things first is you just need to go ahead and just to tweak a specific setting directly from your Xbox console or even from your Microsoft account. Now, if you're going to be matching the specific code that you have, depending on the country region available for that code, and it needs to be redeem only on that country region, here's how. Now, to change your Microsoft or to change the country or region on your Xbox console, just simply head over to your Xbox button for you to be able to open a guide, select Profile and System, Settings, and then System, and then go into Language and Location. Once you've successfully changed a specific country or region that would match on your redemption code, then you could actually just simply input the code that you wanted to redeem. However, if you be doing this via your Xbox console, it will also automatically be reflected into your Microsoft account. So if you would like to get back to the same or to the previous country or region, the same process should be done. And that's how you redeem codes on a different region on Xbox.